See what happened here. So if I look for now, no match found. Okay, so no match found. So why I am getting this? Here, what happened? Simply here, if you keep any white space while you are searching, no, that pattern to be very precise, accurate. We need to design the pattern very accurately. Accurately means this. I told you that this meta character looks for a word which is starting with on. Okay, but you have not given any space here, but here is the space. How many white spaces are there? One white space, only one white space. That moment your pattern is not precise pattern. Precise means accurate pattern. This much of white space you have given, okay, and you are looking for on, starts with on, and here there is no any white space. So that moment it will give no. Okay, okay, no, and it ends with the land, but still we are not getting any match form. So first of all we need to do what? Land, motherland. See what happened. This is match found. Match found means clear the screen, and you run Python file. So match found, why match found? This caret symbol, as I told you, that it looks for the word starting with on, so if I keep any space, white space here, so simply I have kept one white space, so you will get, if you run one more time, no match found. What do you mean of this? No match found means you are looking for word starting with on. Caret symbol indicates that word starting with on, that must have one white space, but here there is no any white space. If you provide one white space, surely you will get match found. Okay, if you increase the white space one more time, here two white spaces are here, but here only one white space. So here expected answer no match found. Understand? No match found. So these white space, so these search patterns, they will provide precise accuracy, is very high accuracy of searching of the characters, because by this, even though if you provide white spaces, that will give much importance. So if you want to look for any searching, so suppose if you are looking for this on, the word start with on, so the pattern should be very accurate. So if you are looking for with no any white space, here the text must have no any white space. The string, whatever the string we have declared, the string started with the on word. If it has no any white space, you need to design the pattern with no any white space. Okay, now see what happened. Clears the screen. Okay, now you run this code. So here match found and none. What do you mean of this? Two patterns we have designed, pattern 1 and pattern. So here if else condition we have applied. Match found means this pattern I have designed, the string which is starting with on word, okay, with no any white space, because this caret symbol used for starting word. this dollar symbol used for ending word. This string is started with on and end with land. Land is a word. Okay, so it means that your pattern is okay. So that's why it is giving word match font. Okay, next. So why we are getting this none? None means what? In this pattern, I want to search for any middle character, WH. Okay, but here in the middle there is no any middle character is. That's why none means no any match font for this second pattern. Suppose if I keep in place of this WH KA, capital letters. KA means capital. Okay, see, actually KA is here, na? Okay, this is the KA. So if I want to search for a middle character KA, so whether we will get, I compile, run this. Okay, match font. Okay, see, it is stating that match font for first pattern. In second pattern, so this KA middle character font match is equal 1113. 1113 indicate that span. Span is what? The index. From starting, it will count that index as 0, 1, and white spaces will be count. White spaces will also be count. How many white spaces? 0, 1. This white space will be counted as how many white spaces here? 1 white space. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. K position is 11. Then 13, KA, Kargil. 11 to 13, 11 to 13, 11 to 13, 11, 12, 13. This is no, this white space is 11, this white space is 10, 11, 12. Span, you need to understand this. Okay, see, so now what happened? So what happened? Now see, I have removed all the white spaces. These white spaces I have removed. Okay, so whenever if I run this code, it is giving these index positions. If I remove these white spaces, okay, so you count the from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. K position is 8. Okay, K position is 8. Okay, so whenever you search for object, match object, this whatever the match will identify, that will be considered as an object. Okay, and that index will be given. Span means location, area, where is the location. Okay, and after that I want to say one more thing is that I have used this meta character dollar symbol. If I remove this star, then what happened? Okay, now you run this one. So no match found, no match found, because for this land, the word ending here, so dollar and star. Okay, we need to use dollar and star. Okay, now what about this dot operator? If I remove this one, what happened? No match found, no match found. So this is the pattern. Okay, this much of pattern. Otherwise, if you remove this white space also, then what happened? No match found. So second pattern, this is the result for second pattern. Okay, this second pattern is okay. For first pattern, for the first pattern, so no match found. For this, if you want to, this is the pattern. Okay, now if